Welcome back. If it is your first time here, welcome. Today I am making some peanut butter cookies. We are going to start with a quarter pound of butter, 1 stick, room temperature, not too soft, just soft enough. 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm only making a small batch. 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. For me, it's a little less than a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, but you can add the amount of sugar according to your taste. And we are going to cream these together. We're going to add our buttercream. Did I say buttercream? I'm sorry. Peanut butter. This is a 1/2 cup. I'm going to add a pinch of salt because the peanut butter needs a little bit of salt to pep it up. So I'll probably add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Let's get this going again. Now let's add our egg. Get to mixing again. Actually, I'm gonna scrape down the bowl. Let's add our vanilla. That's 1/2 teaspoon. Mix that in, then we're gonna add our flour. Flour, I've added 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. This is 1 cup of flour. As I said, it's a small batch. In goes the flour. Gonna mix this in. Let's scrape down the sides, and then our cookie dough is gonna be ready. Gonna give it one last spin. My dough is ready. I'm gonna lay these on the sheet first, and then I'll make my balls. I think that will be better. So I wet my hands so it's easier for me to roll these into balls. I don't like my hands being sticky. These are gonna go into the fridge for 30 minutes to chill, and then we'll put them in the oven. Cookies are ready for the oven, so we're gonna press and press. I don't know why these wanna give me a lot of heartache, but they're gonna bake today. Press, press. Okay, they're a little messy, but they are gonna go into the oven for approximately 10 minutes, maybe a little longer, depending on how well they're baked. Cookies are baked, just got out of the oven. They took approximately 20 minutes to bake, twice the amount of time, according to the recipe, because they're much larger than the standard cookies. I like large cookies. So I'm gonna let these cool, and thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, and click the notification bell to notify you when new videos are uploaded. I upload my videos twice a week, Tuesdays and Fridays. Thank you for watching. Bye.